So as a lot of you know that subscribe to the channel, I drive a 2010 Toyota Camry and my key fob recently went dead. You can tell that when this light stops shining when you press the button, and of course it won't work. So we're just going to make a quick little video. I'm going to show you how to replace this key fob, which is the same not just for the 2010 Camry but for a lot of different Toyotas. So let's start out with the supplies that you're going to need. You really don't need hardly anything. All you're going to need is a screwdriver or maybe like a butter knife or something that you can pry this open with. Then you're going to need a tiny thin screwdriver, which I'll show you why you need it in a little bit. And then of course you're going to need your replacement batteries. These are CR2016s. Got them on Amazon for like $3 for this whole pack, so very cheap. Obviously a lot cheaper than if you take it to the dealership and get it replaced there. So first step, we're going to have to pry into this slot on the side of the key fob with your screwdriver. You just twist it and it'll pop right off like this. So after you've opened up the shell, the next thing you're going to do is just simply take out this little black box. And this just comes out like this, and you'll see the bottom is transparent and the top is black. Now we can push this aside for now because we don't need that anymore. Now what we're going to do is now take your small screwdriver and you're going to have to pry underneath of a couple of these clips to unlatch this black cover off of this housing, and there's the battery is underneath of this. Now once you've done that, now you're at the battery. Once again, since you have to pry almost everything in this shell, you just have to stick in your little screwdriver right there and you fling out the battery. Now we'll go ahead and get out the replacement. Now you're going to want to make sure you keep the writing, the text, keep that facing upwards when you reinstall it. There's a little spring in here, so you're going to want to just kind of stick it right in and push. Okay. Now all you're going to have to do is take your shell, press that back together again. It's going to snap. Bring back your key fob here. By the way, this membrane here is basically, it can come out at any time, and when it comes out, your buttons fall out. So don't be me and don't do that. Now we're going to put our buttons back in again. So continuing from where we were, you're just going to take this little module, line it up with your key fob, snap it back in, take your shell, line that back up here, snaps back in place like that, and you are done. So you can check your work by hitting this, and you'll now see the button is lighting up. This is now a functioning key fob again. Well everyone, thanks for joining us on this tech help video. Hopefully you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and of course our full in-depth reviews. Take care.